This is a light switch, and this is a dog. I'm going to teach my dog to turn off the lights, so I never ever have to stand up ever again. Okay, firstly, I just need a little tape, and I need the tape to make a marker. The marker will be the spot where he will touch his nose on. So put the marker on an accessible level for the dog, so it's easier for him. I need to make the marker a little bit obvious. Yeah. That's good enough. Alright, so now I need to show him where the marker is. I just put my treat on the marker and he gets it. Maybe a couple more times. Just make it really easy for him, so he's engaged. Yeah. And now I escalated the difficulty there. I just pointed to the spot. And here's a close-up. Just touching the tape, the marker, and if he touches the marker with his nose, he gets a treat. This is pretty easy for him. But I don't want to overdo him, so I'll see you back tomorrow. Good job, Castro. Yeah, you're a good boy.